It is powered by a battery. It is driven by a true rotary compressor. It is the world's most revolutionary portable air conditioner. It is the Zero Breeze Mark II. After 3 years of intense R&D, we're back with a more powerful, completely redesigned Zero Breeze Mark II to change the game again. The Mark II has major upgrades applied inside and out. With our more powerful patented 24-volt sine wave frequency controlled rotary compressor, the cooling power gets a 200% boost. The outlet temperature may now drop up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 minutes. The Mark II is also attired with an all-new dual-hose design. With the newly equipped centrifugal fan, both the front and rear outlet have received a significant efficiency lift. The isolation circulatory system between indoor and outdoor air cools twice as fast, but 40% more efficient. Zero Breeze Mark II has also expanded its features. With the newly added sleep mode, it keeps monitoring the surrounding temperature and it keeps you in a comfortable temperature all the time. On a hot and humid summer day out, dehumidifying is as important as cooling. We've added a dedicated dehumidifier mode this time. With the combination of both, you can always stay cool and dry. We've also redesigned the battery. It can be attached to the main unit in seconds. With a whopping 630 watt-hour capacity, Stage Zero Breeze Mark II is ready to produce. This time, we are working with one of the world's most advanced AC manufacturers to bring you the world's best portable battery-powered AC. Since its incarnation, it has overcome countless doubts and obstacles, and it has since become more powerful, more efficient, and more user-friendly. And it is Zero Breeze Mark II. Thank you for supporting us. Together, we make the world a little cooler.
How do you bridge the energy of a studio session with the benefits of a one-on-one session? With artificial intelligence and personalized instructor feedback, you can take with you anywhere. Meet Otari.
What is up, Otari fam? Kenny here, and we got 20 minutes of strength and hit coming your way.
A yoga studio and fitness experience that you can take everywhere.
Exhale, open the arms out, coming in.
Analyzes your workout experience by understanding how your body is moving.
Let's push this pace a bit more. Come on.
On-demand and live stream classes just became personal sessions.
All the way to the end. Let's do it.
With world-class instructors and a community that is connected with group challenges and live leaderboards. It's a personalized studio experience with the analytics you need for guidance and motivation. Personalized, portable. A journey that's uniquely yours with Otari.
Evolve your image making and use the world's first all-in-one 8K 360-degree VR camera with real-time in-camera stitching. Pilot Era is easy, fast, and efficient. As an all-in-one standalone device, you can use the camera by itself without the need for a computer or mobile phone. The 3.1-inch touchscreen creates a friendly user experience. 8K in-camera stitching saves you hours of post-processing work and headaches. Standalone 4K live streaming eliminates the need for complex servers and settings with a single click. Razor-sharp 8K 360 photos and videos transport your audience into your world. Pilot Era is small but powerful. We've managed to fit a powerful processor, a battery that lasts 3.5 hours, and 512 gigs of internal storage into a camera smaller than a can of beer. Engineered with microsecond-level frame synchronization, real-time multi-lens color balance, and HDR photo capture, the camera creates incomparable image quality at its price level. Optimized for the Google Trusted Photographer with ultra-precise GPS. Users can upload to Google Street View directly from the camera. We are constantly evolving the performance of the camera and updating new features so the camera can meet the needs of more industries as a professional tool. Join us as we help evolve the future of VR content creation. Pilot Era, the first true all-in-one 8K 360 VR camera.
In the 21st century, we have many gadgets for our leisure, work, and productivity. Sometimes it is far too many. Meet Solman, notepad equipped with solar panels, wireless power bank, global Wi-Fi hotspot, and eco-friendly paper. Solman is the most advanced notepad there can be, and it would always be charged and ready for you. Multiple solar panels ensure that Solman's 12,000 mAh battery is always juiced up. With Solman, you will never run out of juice. Providing charging to the multiple devices simultaneously, Solman becomes your working station. Use the full surface of the Solman to charge multiple devices wirelessly as well. With the extended power profile, get faster wireless charging than from regular Qi chargers. With Solman, you would not need to delay your calls. Turn Solman into your working desk anywhere you want. Solman compromises the productivity and high-profile design. The embed hotspot would ensure you always have that internet connection in the time of need. Get your Solman now with the limited discounted price and free shipping.
Welcome to All the Ways You Can Find with Tile. When your usual things aren't where they usually are, you can just tap Find in the Tile app to make your tile ring. So you can get on with your day. Or you can just ask,
"Hey Google, ask Tile to ring the remote."
Sure, locating the remote.
oh, and by the way, did you know you can find your phone with your tile? Just double press the button on your tile to make your phone ring, even when it's on silent. When you're away from home and you leave something behind, see the last time and place it was with you and get directions back to it, saving the day. When you realize something important is missing, you can just activate the Tile community. And every phone running the Tile app will anonymously help locate your things. You'll get a notification letting you know where your tile is, so you can get your stuff back.
This is VTEX, your next favorite everyday shoe. One shoe, 12 features for all seasons. It's a mix of your most comfortable slippers and your favorite outdoor shoe. A sanctuary for your feet, no matter if you're walking around the busy city in the hot summer, exploring nature's wonders in the snow, and everything in between. 12 spectacular features make VTEX the most advanced all-season nanotech knit shoe ever. Waterproof, breathable nanotech knit, heat-resistant, cold-resistant, antibacterial, stain-proof, ultra-comfortable cloud insole, lightweight, 360 3D knit, sandproof, windproof, vegan-friendly. The VTEX Cloud lightweight, cushioned outsole provides you with optimum flexibility for perfect balance with each stride. Its insole is made up of a fast-recovering memory foam, enhancing comfort and increasing support by naturally forming to your foot. The upper fabric features a uniquely patented 4-layer design in 360 3D knit. The 4-layer design is made up of a breathable nanotech knit, a waterproof moisture-permeable membrane, a soft elastomer layer, and comfort-advancing inner lining. Whether you're dancing in the rain or hiking up a river, the breathable, waterproof design will keep your feet dry and ready to go. The one-of-a-kind nanotech membrane also features over-the-top heat resistance up to 200 degrees Celsius and protection from extreme cold down to minus 15 degrees Celsius, keeping you comfy and cool in the sweaty summer heat and warm and cozy in the frozen winters. It's also stain-proof, so no matter how rugged the adventure, your VTEX stay looking fresh.
Because VTEX shoes have been designed by our team in the UK, Japan, and Korea, and later produced in our Taiwan factory to offer these unique, lightweight, breathable, comfortable, and the only completely waterproof shoes on the market to you. VTEX shoes also repel water and lock in warmth. So no matter what conditions you find yourself in,
check out the rigorous testing we put VTEX through. Yeah, it really works. But what good is an all-season shoe without style? VTEX are being offered in different color designs, as well as a high top and super high top look. And we almost forgot, they're vegan made. So whether you're in the rain, snow, heat, or wind, get the most advanced shoe with endless features and push yourself through any season all year long. Get your VTEX shoes today.